It is always nice to visualize your data in best and easy to read manner. For that reason we use freeze panes tool sometime. But you know, as easy as it sounds, we kinda get little cranky when it won't work the way we want it. In this short video, I am going to show you 3 different types where in the first one we will freeze the row only, and in the second one we will freeze the column only, and in the last one we will notice how we can freeze both rows and columns at the same time. So here, as you can see in this sheet, I want to freeze the first row only. So to do that, we have to place our selection right here in the first column and in the cell number 2. Then go to the view and click on freeze panes and then select freeze panes. It should now freeze your first row as you wanted, or you can simply select the freeze first row option under freeze panes. Now in similar way, let's do the first column. Place your selection in the first row but keep it in second column. Go to the freeze panes and select freeze panes. This should freeze your first column. Or in the similar way, you can simply choose the freeze first column. It should also work. Okay, now comes the tricky part. I think you may have got the idea now, but let's do the third one. In this we will freeze first row and first column so that when I scroll down, first row should stay there, and when I scroll right, first column should be freezed. Now position your selection in this way so that your selection is in second row and in second column. Go to the freeze panes and select the freeze panes option. Now according to your selection, it will freeze the rows and columns as you need. Look at this small image closely. You will get an idea how you should place your selection while using this freeze pane option. Well, I hope you are now able to do this easily without any doubt. Still, if you face any issue, feel free to let me know in the comments. I will definitely try to solve it. If you are new and came to this channel for the first time, then please like and subscribe if you feel so. Thank you so much for staying with me. Let's meet another time with another interesting video like this. Till then, take care. Bye bye.